Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to delete Facebook search history to using a smartphone. At first open the Facebook app. Now click on your three dot menu. Click on setting and privacy. Now scroll up and click on activity lock. Now scroll left and click on search history. You can see the history of your searched. Now click here and delete. Your history are deleted, so this why you can easily delete your history. Thanks for watching my video.